Hi, this is Robert Worm. Today's video is about using the speed brake in the A320. Let's assume that you are on a descent and you're on the profile. Now ATC says Air Berlin, reduce minimum clean speed. Now while slowing down to green dot speed, you will get above the profile and you deploy the speed brake. Deploying the speed brake does not only increase the drag, it also increases the minimum speed that the airplane can still fly with. For the Autopilot and Auto Thrust of the A320, the lowest selectable speed, VLS, provides a margin above the stall speed, and it is indicated by the orange band on the airspeed indicator. This value depends on the position of the speed brake, and it may then be higher than the speed you have selected on the FCU. In this case, if you keep the speed brake deployed, the auto thrust will maintain VLS instead of your target speed, and the engines will fight against the speed brake. The message to keep in mind is, in automated flight, you cannot fly slower than VLS, and VLS depends on the position of the speed brake. It can make you fly faster than you want to. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.